Launch RecoverGo and select this new function. Sign in your Google account to check all your WhatsApp backups. The access process will take a few seconds. Now, select the backup you want to restore. RecoverGo will start downloading your WhatsApp backup. Here, if you've enabled end-to-end encryption, you will need to enter the 64-digit encryption key. If not, you will need to enter your phone number to get the verification code. Once completed, you can now view all the WhatsApp data under this backup. Now, choose the specific file type to see WhatsApp data from Google Drive. Select the specific folder or whole data and click on Recover. For restoring, RecoverGo will pop up a window where you can check the restored data.